part 2, because I accidentally clicked on record on the video, because I was trying to, but yeah, this will be feeding the horses grass. Oh, well, at least I'll try to. So yeah. Okay. Oh, there you go. Good horse. No? Okay. Hold on. We need some grass. Want some more? Look at my fingers. Here, there you go. I'm trying to make my fingers like parrots. Oh. There we go. Good horse. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna grab some more grass. Oh. Well, you just blew away the grass. Oh, what are you doing there, buddy? Buddy boy? Oh, this is less thick. Okay, this is good. That's a good grass to get. Okay. Hey, buddy. Buddy. I have to look over your head. There you go. Good horse. Okay, I'm gonna leave now, horses. Goodbye. I don't have any more food. I don't have any more, I'm sorry. Poor buddy, just wanted some more grass. Okay, so that concludes my little tiny nature walk thing. If you enjoyed this, me eating, oh jeez. So if you enjoyed me feeding some horses, not eating, why would I eat horses? Eating horse does not sound really appetizing. Just, but anyways, if you enjoyed me feeding the horses and going down a trail and ruining my new shoes, look at this. This is, gosh dang it. This is leather though, so my feet aren't like they're dying inside. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, you can consider leaving a like if you want. You don't have to though. If you really enjoy my content, then you can subscribe, watch more of my videos. But most of my earlier videos are like cringy as heck. I think stuff from like over a year ago or whatever, I might put it on like anything before, probably like before earlier last year, and then I'll just put I'll put it as part of my cringe list. So yeah. Here's the actual creek. This is the reason they call it an apartment what it is. But make sure I don't drop my phone in, you know. But like the water, you know. Nice looking creek. But yeah, I don't trust going down there because you could fall. You could be like right into the water. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this, you can you can comment or subscribe or whatever you want to do. You can dislike it. I don't really care. It's not gonna get to me. But yeah. See you next time I post a video, peeps.